Hello and welcome back to the Surly Cook, and this week it's a hard-boiled egg challenge. I've got a flat of eggs here and I'm going to compare two different hard-boiled egg methods, one using a regular pot and one using a pressure cooker, in this case the Instant Pot. And we'll compare notes and see what's faster, what's better. So in the Instant Pot, I'm going to load this thing up, and I'm using a variation on what the Instant Pot fanatics call the 666 method. In this regular pot, you notice I'm not boiling the eggs, I just have a very thin layer of water. There's an excellent demonstration of this method, and I'm going to refer you to Food Wishes in the comment section below, so take a look at that. So with the steam, I'm going for 12 minutes. In the pressure pot, or the Instant Pot I should say, using 5 minutes at high pressure, 5 minutes of release time, and both methods are going to get a 5 minutes ice bath when we're all done. So now these are coming out of the Instant Pot. You can see I'm taking them one at a time, putting them in the ice. So here's one of the Instant Pot eggs, and I want you to notice how nicely these peel. Look at that, almost a single peel. Cut them open and perfectly done. Now here's one from the regular steamed pot, or the conventional steaming method. And I'll crack that open and you'll see that we have similar results. Again, the shell coming off basically in two pieces. And again, very nice product. So now if we compare the eggs, the ones on the left are from the Instant Pot, just a tiny bit underdone with 5 minutes. The other ones in the regular pot, steamed for 12 minutes, touch on the dry side, but also very good. What method should you use? Well, just depends on what works for you. The Instant Pot is a little more consistent, I've found, and that's the method I'm using, at least on a day-to-day basis. So that's it for the Hard-Boiled Egg Challenge. We'll see you next week at the Surly Cook.